Hi everyone, it's Paula from Paula Quilting. Welcome back, or hello if it's your first time here. So what do we have today? So you've made a quilt or any other quilted item and you're ready to gift it or pass it on to the new owner, and you would like them to be able to take care of it. So what is the good idea to do is to give them some instructions what to do with the item, how to wash it, how to dry it. So what we have today is the care instruction sheet. I've prepared those as a freebies. They will be available on as a download from my Paula Quilting with Friends group on the Facebook. So please feel free to head there to download from there. The link to the group is in the description below for you. So let's have a look at the detail, what is available on the care instructions and how you can customize it. Okay, so this is the first set or first template available, and it's got here already set is a quilt and certain set of the care notes, and then there is a with love from. Now for those more computer savvy, this document will be as a Word document, so if you open it in your own Word document you can change it to something else, and then you will be able to add your name at the bottom. If you are not computer savvy, you can just print as is and just type your own name at the bottom. Just write it with your hand with some nice marker and job done. So simple instructions how to machine wash. This is what like I said, I use to give as instructions, and I would normally also clip to the back of it a couple of color catchers sheets, just so I know at least for the first few times the person can use those. And I normally wash any item I made before I give it as well, so in that first wash obviously I use a little bit more color catchers as well. So that's the first set of instructions. And this is the sheet number 2, which will be available. Instead of the quilt we have a gift, so actually you can use it for any item. So those instructions here has been slightly amended because obviously it can be anything, not necessarily quilt. So that's updated again with love from. You can put your name without any modifications. For those more computer savvy, you can replace gift with something else and again maybe adopt it as needed. But it can go as is as well for many items you are making using the quilting method. So this is how I would normally pack my items. So I use a tissue paper first to wrap it nicely. Usually I even color coordinate the tissue paper with whatever is inside, if I've got tissue papers in different colors. And then I wrap it in the foil, and then I put the label kind of under the foil so it all comes in a nice package. Foil is not so environmental friendly, so once I run out of my stash I won't be doing that anymore. I will perhaps go in the way of the paper bags, and I will print something on the bag, so that will just go inside with the item. I still might use the tissue paper because I think it looks nice. For the first few people who will provide their own requirements for the care, they might be slightly different to what I do. I will prepare more sheets and they will be all loaded to my group Facebook page. So please feel free to comment below what would you like to have on the care instructions. Maybe a different title. It's not going to be quilt, not going to be a gift. Maybe you would like to have something specific there because you do it very often. Maybe you're washing in different temperature, or you would like people to wash it in different temperature. Then just pop it all of those requirements below, and I will prepare some options for you to download. Thank you for watching and see you next time.